Carol Baskin killed her husband Wagdy. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Canine Command. I hope you're all happy during this rough pandemic. It is currently 649th day of lockdown, and yeah. So today we are back with another dog lockdown game called Whack-A-Mole, but instead of a mole, we're going to use a dog treat. Basically, you need one large box, ta-da, and a long, thin treat. So today we're using Platinum Pet Care Fit Sticks. Thank you, Platinum Pet Care, for this treat, and we're going to use them today. So the gist of this game is you have holes in your box, and the treats go up through the holes, and your dog has to try and catch them. So first, let's get cutting and sticking and be like Neil Buchanan from Art Attack. Let's go! So the box is done. Now I just need a victim. Who wants to play? Who wants a treat? First one to come up plays the game. Looks like Jax wins this one. Ooh, excited. Alright, Jax, are you ready? Looks like we got our first contender. So I'm gonna get in place. You wait there. You wait. You wait. You wait. I put it on the edge of the table so it's easier for me to get up and under. Get it, go. Get it. Get it in. Get it. Where's it gone? Get it. Where's it gone? Get it. Get it in. Get it. Oh. Oh. Get it. Jax. Oh, Ace has now entered the room. Jax, get it. Jax, get it. I don't think Jax understands this game, so we might have to tap out and get the Ace in. Jax, get it. Get it. Jax, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Jax, get it. What is wrong with my dogs? Jax, get it. Get it. Get it. Alright, Jax, take it. Take it. Tap out. What's up, dogs? We now have player 2 with us, Ace. Because Jax obviously didn't understand the game. How are you feeling today? Nervous? You're better to strong boys. I think you're hungry. Right, should we start? Get it. Get it. Where's it gone? Okay, where's it gone? Get it. Ace, get it. Oh. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Get it. Ace, get it. Get it. Oh, where's it gone? Get it. He understands. Get it then. Ace, get it. Here. Here. Where's it gone? Ace, get it. Oh. Jax, into your bed. Ace. I got half of it. Good boy. Yes. Jackson to bed. Yes. Oh, he's getting too quick at this now. He's gonna bounce on the table. It's. Oh, what did I say? What did I say? It's. Good boy. I think we're gonna call it a day here before he gets violent and starts ripping the cardboard up. Good boy. Did better than your collie brother, right, Jax? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There goes my craft. See ya.